Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Nano Dimension and how I'm kicking myself in the butt. I bought this stock under $2. I bought it at $1.95 and then I sold it out at $2.30. Why? Because I thought the stock market was crashing and I thought there was a possibility it can go back down to below $2. And now the stock is sitting at $4.91, and I'm really kicking myself in the butt. I should have just kept buying more of this stock. But anyways, in this video, we're going to be talking about, is it possible for Nano Dimension to go all the way down up to $10? I think there's a possibility, but, you know, it requires some kind of bullish catalyst. On top of that, if ARK keeps buying even at these levels, then yes, there's a possibility that more and more money could flood in and the stock could rise to $10. The valuation at $10 wouldn't be too crazy. It would only give it a $500 million market cap. And I think news would ultimately move the stock. So we'll see what happens. But I do think that there's a possibility that this stock could go to $10 in the short term. But right now, I think that the stock is overbought and there needs to be a pullback. But at the end of the day, you know, even if I think there's going to be a pullback, it might not. It might just keep going up and up and up and up. And eventually it'll pull back. But you know, that's just my opinion. And if we look at this, you know, from a long-term, like from a perspective, the stock used to be, you know, $60. And then, you know, there was, at one point, it was $25, $20. It had a reverse split. The stock went as low as below $1. And it skyrocketed all the way to $3.40. Traded sideways and then skyrocketed to $5, and I still think that there's a possibility that this stock could continue to go up. Today's volume was really impressive. It was traded 105 million shares. 105 million shares. A lot of people are trading the stock right now. A lot of investor interest, and mainly partially reason why I'm making a video on Nano Dimensions, because I think a lot of people will watch the video, especially if I made a video titled Nano Dimensions heading to $10. Personally, I'm not buying any unless the stock pulls back significantly. Then I might make a position. But right now, I'm kind of concerned about the election coming up here. There might be some massive volatility, but we'll see what happens. 3D Dimensions. 3D Dimension does act as a resistance level. This is like the top 3D company in the market right now, and this the $819 million market cap does act as a resistance. But right now, Nano Dimension is only $263 million, so there's significant room to move to the upside, in my opinion. Right now the SPY is in the red. Like I said, there's going to be extreme volatility moving into the election. That's why I always advise people to be careful and to, you know, make small positions and treat everything as kind of like a trade, day trading. But this is just my opinion, so not financial advice. You know, it's funny how you see this. There's a little dip right here for the stock, for the SPY, and then what happens to Tesla? Boom! Big, small dip. So Tesla kind of like follows the SPY. SPY goes down, Tesla goes down. So, you know, this is kind of, patterns I've noticed. Tesla is linked to the overall market, especially the SPY, NASDAQ really, because like the NASDAQ is, Tesla is listed under the NASDAQ, and if the NASDAQ goes down, Tesla goes down. Solo had an ugly day today. Like I said, that there was a possibility that the stock could flop back down to $2.46. It kind of sucks if it does, but that's the reality of it. And you know, this company needs news to move to the upside. So let's hope next week there's some kind of big news catalyst. But we might have to wait all the way till November. And like I said, I could have sold out at $3.50, and then I could have used that money to buy back into the stock at 280. But I didn't know it was gonna go down to 280, but it did. So obviously, there's a lot of day traders, a lot of short sellers trying to push the stock price down. So, and that's just the reality of it. That sucks when when you're a long-term when you're a long-term investor. That's what you gotta suffer, volatility. If you're a trader, you'd be laughing right now because the stock is falling back down and you have an opportunity to scale back in when you see an opportunity to buy, because this stock is volatile and it'll move up and down. Arcimoto down 72 cents, 9.8%. DPHC Holding, Diamond Peak Holdings, down 3 cents. Hertz Equipment is continuing to run up after hours. Nikola Motors up 10 cents after hours. Workhorse up 9 cents after hours, kind of trading sideways, So I think if this stock goes to like $20, it's a buying opportunity, but that's just my opinion. In the low 20s would be a buying opportunity, but that's only my opinion. NIO, any massive pullback could be an opportunity. Why? Because big money obviously loves this stock. So ride on the back of the coattails of big money. Like $1.36, 52-week low. That's insane. That's just insane. Like, if you bought that, man, 2,000% return on investment. If you bought that when the company was like, when there was lots of talks of the company going bankrupt, and NIO is a Gartner, man, you would have made so much money, so much money. And you may even make more money as the stock continues to move up and up and up. So yeah, I don't know. Looks good to me. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp down 25 cents. Switchback Energy up 13 cents after hours. Hennessy Capital Acquisition down 6 cents. Trine is down a penny. GameStop is down 10 cents after hours. Intel Corporation down 10 cents. AMD is neutral. Nvidia is up $3.38 after hours. The market today was volatile, and going into the election, I think it's going to be more and more volatile. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Vail, High Tide had a strange little pop today, but it's pulling back already. Cresco Labs is up 13 cents. Planet 13 is up 20 cents. Very is just kind of trading sideways. TAT is doing pretty decently. Cresco Labs is up 13 cents. Kira is down 3 cents. Harv is down 12 cents. Man is down 5 cents today. Well, that's all I really have to say. Not too much to talk about, but anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I gotta last another minute. Why? Because I don't know, I think YouTube rewards people for trying to get like a 10-minute video. I mean, you can still put more ads on an 8-minute video, but 10 minutes is like the best to make. But yeah, that's just, what I see in the market. What I experienced from being a YouTuber making videos. Hennessy Capital Acquisition Corp. So glad I bailed on this company. It's kind of like a turd. PIC PIC is down 5 cents. I think that big money is being careful where they pump their money. They're not just pumping it any company right now. Let's do Hyliion. Hyliion. This is like one of the crowd's favorite. Every time I put out a Hyliion video, it seems to do pretty well. So, yeah, but it's starting to pull back right now. It's obviously downtrending. Death cross is happening. The stock is in a downtrend spiral, but we'll see where this goes. Yep. Anyways, that's really all I have to talk about. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.